Hello, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today we are here in Mansfield, Ohio as part of the Secret City Tour, and we are going to be exploring part of the former Northern Foods building. Now, back in the day, this is a building that would have housed the Northern Foods Company, and the areas that we are going to see are actually the old cooler areas. One of the local residents I talked to called it the old ice box, basically where you could come back in the day and get frozen, fresh meat that was basically kept in here, kept in these coolers and ice boxes to stay cold. Now, the part that we got to see was separated into two different sides. So, this side is the dark side, basically. As you can see, it's very dark in here. It is very original. You can see on the wall here we do have an intercom for part of the intercom system, and you can see we do have some notices that were left behind, old garage door to the outside, things like that. So this side is basically unchanged. It's just kind of sitting here. But as we go out to the other side, and what's really interesting is because of the way this building is currently set up, you do actually have to leave the building to go out to the other side. We're going to go into the lighted side, which is a little bit different. So as we walk in, you're going to notice that there is a lot of stuff in here. The building is currently for sale, and I do believe these are items that they are selling. So here is kind of what would have been like a front office area. You can see we have old cash register here, some antique furniture. We're going to come up to it in a second, but there is a rockola here, which I really wanted to know if this still worked or not. It was really cool. Take a look at some of the songs. You can pause if you want to take an actual look at them. And then you can see where it used to connect to the rest of the building, but no longer does. And then there is the bathroom. Now, I will say that bathroom does still work. However, the water faucet had water that came out black, so kind of gross. Now, in here, we have another area just filled with furniture. And as we walk around this, I should say, there is a whole other part to this building that was most recently used by a news company. I do believe that they no longer use it anymore, and if I remember correctly, their name was the Buckeye Report. Unfortunately, we did not get to see that part of the building. We only got to see this part, and I'm not really sure why, but it was still interesting to see, especially see all the stuff left behind, like this old organ, and of course, the vinyl area with the Pink Floyd record. So it was interesting to get to see this area. I just wish we could have seen the whole building. But this is part of the Northern Foods building in Mansfield, Ohio, part of the Secret City Tour back in September of 2024. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching.